What's up, gang? We're gonna put some myths to rest here once and for all. Either I have it or everybody else does. We're gonna check it out. The cold starting problem with the Indian FTR 1200. I haven't ridden my FTR probably 6 weeks because I've had this beauty on loan from BMW. That's the R18, and it is a beast of a motorcycle. I had it out all day yesterday, and today it's also beautiful outside in the middle of December of all things. So I'm gonna take my FTR out today. There she is. Now, it has been on a battery tender the whole time, because I'm that guy. But I haven't even so much as started it in probably 6 weeks. So we're gonna let the computer boot fully up, give the battery a chance to wake itself up, put it in the run position. We're in neutral. Now let's see if it stalls out. So as you can plainly see, not everybody has the cold start problem with their Indian FTR 1200 or 1200S. Much ado about nothing. I guess that's up to you. As for me, I don't need a tune. I don't need to change anything. I'm not taking the catalytic converter off. I'm gonna ride it like they made it because that's how Indian wanted it. I know that puts me in the minority and it's an unpopular opinion, but I don't find the bike cold-blooded at all. I'm gonna ride up out of here, out of my yard, and I'm gonna ride all day, and it's not gonna stall because it never does. Anyway, take it easy, out.